Sky, chalo, come on. So we are in the park for a walk, and I thought today, after so many days, I'm out. Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel, and so welcome to our Sunday vlog. And right now I'm out for a walk with Sky, and this is where I am right now at the moment. It's really beautiful, and which is why I'm here, because there's nobody around. You guys can see, so I'm here for a good decent walk with Sky, and I hope you all are doing fine. How's your lockdown done treating you? I hope you all are taking good care and you're being safe. Sky, where are you? What are these? See, they're so beautiful. It's a slope. Sure, we'll go together. Come. Slow, slow, Baba. Slow, slow. So it's really beautiful, and you can spot some flamingos. I hope you guys can see. And this guy wants to chase them. We'll go back, don't disturb them. We'll go this side. It's such a beautiful, surreal place, guys. Have a look. So calm, so quiet. It's so beautiful, you guys. Have a look. And there are finally some people here, and Sky wants to meet them. So beautiful. The moment I said there's nobody, people entered. That's what happens. Sky, don't pull me. So cute. स्काई बहुत छोटा है ना, प्लीज उसको ऐसे मत करो. उसको खेलना है उसके साथ. ओके. चलो कम या. कम. Sky, don't chase her. Stop. Sky, no, we'll go that side. Chalo, we'll go back. Chalo. I'll click some good pictures, Sky, for your Instagram. So for that, I think we need to go this side. Come here. It's a good spot. You'll get some really good pictures. But for that, you'll have to pose a little bit. Okay, sit down. Sit. Sit. Mama's gonna click some picture. Sit down. Sit down.
Sky, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. See who's coming. Sit. 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 Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Sit down. See who's coming. Oh, who's coming? Sit down. Sit down. Sky, come here. You're wasting my time.
So he's not doing it. He's not doing it. Sky, sit down. See who's that? See who's that? Who's that? Okay, fine, let's go. He's not in mood, and I have no patience. This is really beautiful. Nature needs no filter. That's so true. Sweating like crazy, and it's been a while, guys. मैं ऐसे outdoor में walk करने आई हूँ, and you guys can see sweating so much. I honestly don't recommend you guys to walk without a mask, but sometimes it really gets very suffocating. So that is why I'm wearing this breathable mask, so that I can breathe well while walking. And get yourself this breathable mask. It's also 4-layered, and it's also breathable. So yeah, make sure you do that. I actually come here for walks sometimes, but very rarely, like I mentioned. But I really wanted to show you guys this place since it's such a beautiful place. So yeah, Sky, we have got really good spot for your pictures. I hope that's a good spot. There are very tiny little flowers at the bottom, so I can make Sky sit here and click good pictures. I think we got a good spot for his pictures, so let's do it. It's such a beautiful spot, Sky, for your pictures. If I'm lucky enough, I'll get a picture at this spot. Sit down, good boy. It's so pretty. Sky, please pose for once. For once. Please, this is so beautiful. Yes. That's how I make him sit. It's a good. Oh my god, my beauty. Oh. So this is what happens. Guys. It's a big task to make your pet pose for the camera, and that's too when it's really beautiful and good. I really love that spot and I want good picture of him so that I can post on Instagram. It's been a while. He didn't get good shot, so I thought I'll do it. And light bhi jaane wali hai, so before that I want a picture. Thoda sa ek do pictures liye maine. I tried to click some pictures, but he's not ready to pose. We got some of the very blurred pictures, but I hope we can use them for his Instagram handle. Sky, no. So कितने सारे flamingos थे यहाँ पे? बहुत सारे. And oh my god, we are not used to. This is too much for us. There's another spot here, Sky. If you wish to pose, we can click some pictures. Sky, Jojo in the house.
Hi Jojo.
Hi, Jojo. Hi. Hi. Okay. Oh my god.
No, it's easy.
Hi, Jojo.
No, pakad.
You're free.
With your friend.
Yes. Oh my god, Sky, look at him. He's so loving.
Hi. Hi.
Good boy, Jojo. See, Sky? You can't because you're an escaper. You love to escape and you'll never come back. Look at him. Yes.
Hi Jojo. Jojo come. Jojo come. Jojo come.
Oh my god. Okay. Sky is a bad boy. Huh? Oh, eh? Okay. That's why your mouth is always covered. Now I got it.
इसको लेश भी बना दो. Jojo, don't do that. Jojo.
Oh, she doesn't like it. You've already spoiled my track pan. It's okay. Chalo. Bye, Jojo. Bye, Sky. Go.
No. Get up.
Bye.
Stay.
Bye, Sky. We're leaving.
Bye.
Bye. So now, बोल दे ब्लॉग में बोल दे. Okay.
स्क्रीन गार्ड में हुआ है, मेरे कैमरे में नहीं हुआ.
मेरे साथ ये इशू होता है हमेशा.
स्क्रीन गार्ड
एक कैमरा तो चलो मेरा व्लॉगिंग कैमरा तो गया ही गया, बैटरी गई आई मीन, और इसके भी कैमरे में कुछ इशू है. हाँ, सो विल डू हाफ एन आवर मोर वॉक्स एंड देन विल लीव.
Normally it's very crowded.
Yeah, it does look like a lockdown. Otherwise it's full of people. There's hardly very few.
Especially weekend में तो it's completely filled.
Yeah,
But see now it's totally empty.
totally empty. In fact, the market also. Really very few people.
We can go and sit there, na?
Yeah, we can go there. But I thought we'll walk a while and then... This is the view right now. Feels so good. Whoa. Can't live without a mask now. How bad are humans? We're here for a while. We thought we'll sit down and talk for a while. Really, I dared to put off my mask, which is not a good thing though, but Honestly, बहुत सफोकेट हो रहा था, दो इट्स वेरी ब्रीदेबल स्टिल। ये तुम में से कितने लोगों के साथ हो रहा है कि तुम लोगों को वैक्सीनेशन का स्लॉट नहीं मिल रहा है? मतलब जब से कोविन वेबसाइट में आई एम ट्राइंग टू बुक माई अपॉइंटमेंट, मुझे आई थिंक हमको 2-3 बार मिला है। हाँ, हमको 2-3 बार अपॉइंटमेंट मिली है, बट हर बार कैंसिल हुआ है, अपॉलॉजी मैसेज आया है, एंड वी नेवर गॉट आवर स्लॉट. So guys, let me know if you also facing a same issue right now in Maharashtra. We are not getting vaccine appointment at all. We have tried our level best. I think हम लोग पूरे दिन हर वेबसाइट पे यही चेक करते हैं कि हमको even right now we are doing that. Soul is doing that only. We keep on checking the slot and it's always booked. I don't know how and when we gonna get the vaccine, but let's hope हमको मिल जाएगी. I hope we get the vaccine as soon as possible. Still, we are not getting the vaccine, and it's so weird. Like, it's so unfair, guys. That sky at the back. So yeah, we are sitting for a while, and I thought to share this with you guys and also ask you guys कि तुम लोगों के साथ भी ये हो रहा है क्या? I mean, about the vaccination appointment. We are trying really hard to get our slot, but unfortunately नहीं मिल रहा है. There are many people from Navi Mumbai, in fact, they are getting the slot, but 1 hour later. This is the situation. Feel really good after so long, guys. I mean, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम के बाद मैं ऐसे बाहर निकली हूँ proper to walk and it feels so refreshing. एक चीज़ का बुरा बहुत लग रहा है कि अब हम जो normal basic चीज़ें थी वो भी हमें नसीब में नहीं हो रही है. मतलब we cannot really step out, breathe properly, you know, like how we used to before. We are in such a situation at the moment that we are helpless. We cannot do anything, and I think अपने लिए तो लगता है, बट जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लगता है सोचने में. दिस इज़ द एज वेयर दे शुड जस्ट गो एंड प्ले एंड यू नो एक्सप्लोर एंड लर्न थिंग्स आउटसाइड, बट दे आर जस्ट स्टक इन द हाउस एंड उनका लर्निंग जो एक्सपीरियंस है पूरा स्क्रीन में हो रहा है. I mean, it's a whole different world now, and I mean, we are now getting used to it slowly, and I don't know what's in store for us in the future. आगे आने वाले साल और कैसे होने वाले, इसी तरीके से जीना पड़ेगा या इससे भी worst, we don't know that, but I hope जो हम privileged थे पहले, you know, breathe openly outside and to live free. I don't know वो privilege हमको फिर कब मिलेगा. And it really makes me sad. बहुत बुरा लगता है जब बैठ के सोचते हैं कि यार this is so depressing. So I'll quickly freshen up and continue the vlog. Yes, if you guys are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that आने वाले videos आप लोग miss ना करें. And all we can do at this moment is to take care of ourselves, get vaccinated as soon as possible. Problems बहुत हो रही है slots मिलने में, but जैसे ही मिलता है get yourself vaccinated. That's what even I'm gonna do. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hi Sky. गुड मॉर्निंग. आजा. नहीं आना है इसको, नहीं आना है. हाँ स्काई चलो कम. चलो कम. बाय. चलो इट्स ओके. स्काई कम. चलो चलो we're getting late. Come. चलो. Oh, what happened? Hi, good morning. चलो. चल कुछ तो गुड बॉय। चल आजा 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 बच्चा, आजा आजा, गुड बॉय। Lassi, come here. Come, 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 good boy. Here's Lassi. No, you should wait. Okay? Wait. Wait, Sky, wait. Have this. Have good. Good boy. हेलो बुड्ढा बाबा। तो मैं बुड्ढा बाबा बोलती हूँ। इसकी मूछें भी वाइट, इसकी लैशेस भी वाइट। इज अ बुड्ढा बाबा, है ना? सो ये अभी डी वॉर्मिंग टैबलेट्स मैं स्काई को खिलाऊंगी। आई नो इट्स अ बिग टास्क अपने पेट्स को डी वॉर्मिंग टैबलेट्स खिलाना। इनफैक्ट कोई भी टैबलेट्स खिलाना इज़ अ बिग टास्क, बट आई शो यू मैं इसको कैसे खिलाती हूँ। आई डोंट मिक्स इट विद एनी फूड और समथिंग, बिकॉज वो लोग वो खाना छोड़ देते हैं। What I basically do is I open his mouth completely and put the tablet inside जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है deep, so that he have no option but to swallow. And ये trick हमेशा काम करती है. So make sure कि you deworm your dog as much as you can, क्योंकि अब ये जो tablets है इन्हें 2 हर दिन देना पड़ता है for adult dogs and for I think puppies and जो puppy dogs smaller breeds है उनके लिए I think 1 tablet at a time in 1 day is supposed to be given. So now I'm going to give it to Sky. Ready? You know that it's a tablet. This is how the tablet looks like, and now we are going to, I know he's not going to eat it. See, he hates it, but हम इसको मैंने खिला दी, सो इट्स गॉन। सबको तो रेकमेंड नहीं करूँगी बिकॉज सबके अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं, बट दैट्स हाउ आई गिव हिम टैबलेट। एज यू गाइस कैन सी इज़ वेरी अपसेट। मैंने उसको दवाई खिलाई है, बट इसको ये पता नहीं है इसके लिए कितनी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है दवाई। लुक एट हिज फेस, ही विल बी लाइक दिस एटलीस्ट फॉर हाफ एन आवर, बट ही हैव नो चॉइस। मेक श्योर आप अपने पेट को डी वॉर्मिंग टैबलेट्स दें। मैक्सिमम 3 months में तो देना चाहिए फॉर द डी वॉर्मिंग। सी, उसने खा भी ली और उसको पता भी नहीं चला गाइस। दैट्स हाउ आई ट्रिक यू। मैं काफ़ी लोगों को देखती हूँ कि बहुत सारी ट्रिक्स दे फॉलो, किसी चीज़ में रोल करके दे देना। आई हैव ट्राइड दैट ऑल विद स्काई, बट वो पूरा खाने को थ्रो करके उसमें से टैबलेट को अलग करके वो नहीं खाता है टैबलेट, बिकॉज उनकी जो स्मेलिंग पावर है वो इतनी ज़्यादा है कि आप कोई भी फूड में छुपा लो दवाई, दे विल कम टू नो। सो इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर कि आप डायरेक्टली उनके थ्रोट में डाल दो दवाई, सो दे विल नॉट थ्रो इट अप, एंड बिकॉज ये टैबलेट उनके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो या, यू शुड गिव। ओके स्काई, नाउ यू कैन sleep. Oh, come on, baby. Hi, hi. Shake hand. Shake hand. Enjoy. मेरा थुपड़ू, इसको हम बोलते हैं थुपड़ू, और घुंजू भी बोलते हैं घुंजू, बिकॉज ये पूरा घुंजू है, और झुपड़ू है बिकॉज झुपड़ू जैसे बाल है इसके, इसलिए इसका एक पहाड़ी नाम है झुपड़ू एंड घुंजू। टिकोटी जेरे मेरे स्काई की चीज जो बहुत अच्छे है। बेसिकली दीज आर प्रोटीन बोन्स, एंड इसमें कैल्शियम भी होता है, एंड इट्स रियली गुड फॉर द ओरल हेल्थ एंड ओवरऑल डेंटल हेल्थ के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है। आई ऑलवेज गिव हिम कैल्शियम बोन्स विच इज़ रियली गुड टू एवरी डॉग। यू लाइकिंग द स्क्रैच? You love head scratch? Okay. See, he stopped eating bone because he loves head scratches. Look at his face, he's so happy because he loves head scratches. खा लो bone. चलो अब mama is going. Mama have a lot of work to do. I'm not going. Eat bone. Eat bone. I'm not going. Kidding. Bye, Sky. Okay, I'm not going. I'm not going. Okay, eat bone. Eat bone. I'm not going. Eat. इसको जैसी बाय बोलती है ना, अभी वापस बोलती है I'm going. Bye, Sky. Say hi to everyone. Good boy. Sky, say love you to everyone. Everyone loves you too. Chalo, eat one. So you guys were asking me that Sky अपने फूड के अलावा और क्या क्या खाता है. So अभी उसने दही खाई है. You guys can see मुंह पे भी लगी है. Now have white rice, chicken as you guys can see and थोड़ा सा उसका केबल भी ऐड किया है इसमें. And मैं इसको अच्छे से साथ में बॉईल करती so that it's easy for him to digest and easy for him to eat. And then उसको थोड़ा सा ठंडा होने देती हूँ and then I feed him. It's really good. I like to add some of his kibble in it क्योंकि ये बॉईल होता है तो बहुत सॉफ्ट हो जाता है and बहुत easily we can eat and it's really nutritious. It's rich in protein. तो अभी ये ठंडा हो रहा है तब तक Sky is waiting. ये जल्दी से ठंडा हो जाए so that Sky खाए. Oh baby. Oh. Oh, finish! Good boy. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
थैंक यू.
अरे शिट हम तो कैंडल जलाना भूल ही गए.
पूछ रही है ये ऑन कर रहा है.
Happy Mother's Day.
थैंक यू.
Sky, Happy Mama Day.
हैप्पी मदर्स डे. एसी चल रहा है ना तो
Holy good boy. Good boy. Mommy, blow the candle now. Happy Mother's Day.
स्काई.
Though every day is a Mother's Day. ये Sky.
पहले छोटे बच्चों को दे दो.
रुको.
स्काई. स्काई को दो. स्काई को. आपको
Sky को दे दो.
बटर स्कॉच.
Sky खा लो. Good boy. इससे ज्यादा नहीं मिलेगा बच्चा को. Sky is on duty. Happy Mother's Day. और यहाँ से Sky खा रहा है. मम्मी. Sky.
एंड उसको
It's a video.
आए नो कब से चल रहा है.
हम लोग फिर ऐसे खाते हैं. बटर स्कॉच.
लुक इट्स फाइन.
I'm gonna get them booked at. I'm gonna get her. She's not a
It's 1 p.m. right now and we're still up. Thank you. हॉरर मूवी का मज़ा रात में ही है.
What's with the screaming?
Hear that? What's that?
What was what?